Hello everyone, we are Hop and Landon.
We are grateful to be in this event to share some of our Vietnamese culture. Food is being one of them.
As the theme today is about the Lunar New Year, or Vietnamese people call it tích, we are going to talk about bánh chưng.
Bánh chưng is a traditional Vietnamese dish that people enjoy during Tết. It's a square sticky rice cake filled with mung bean, pork, and banana leaf.
We would like to share with you the history of bánh chưng and how to make it. According to the Vietnamese history, bánh chưng originated from the BÁNH dynasty during the reign of the 6th Hung Emperor.
The emperor wanted to find his successor as he was ready to abdicate the throne.
The emperor was known for his interest in home cooking. He then decided to hold a contest for his 21 sons. Whoever was able to satisfy his palate would become the future king.
While most of the prince traveled far and wide to look for one-of-a-kind dish.
Lang Liu, the 18th son of Hung King, was the poorest and loneliest since he lost his mother at a very young age. Lang Liu had stayed at home, not by choice, but mainly out of necessity, while his brother traveled far and wide.
One night in his dream, an angel visited Lang Liu and helped him to create two types of cake called bánh chưng and bánh dày. Bánh chưng was shaped as the square which symbolized the land, and bánh dày was shaped as a dome, symbolized the sky.
When Lang Liu woke up, he started making the dish exactly like in his dream. Most of the ingredients he used were very reasonable and available at most local markets.
On one of spring day, all the princes present their dish to the emperor.
All the princes present their expensive and lavish dishes, except Lang Liu. He presented his bánh chưng and bánh dày.
The emperor was deeply impressed by the special flavor and these two cakes and their meaningful symbolization.
The emperor had appreciated Lang Liu's effort. Hung King decided that he was a winner and he passed his throne to him.
Since then, as the Lunar New Year comes, everyone makes bánh chưng and bánh dày as to offer to ancestors and gods.
And now we would like you to watch the video and how bánh chưng is made. After you watch the video, if any of you have any question, we would be happy to answer you all. I'm now going to show you all the ingredients to make bánh chưng. First of all, this is sweet sticky rice, mung bean, banana leaves, zip tie or cable tie, nylon rope, handy twine. These are used to tighten the wrapping of the banana leaf. Oh, I forgot, and also the wooden frame to use it to make it square. And finally, that's pork belly. And you can see with all the ingredients, we make the bánh chưng in this square right now. You probably know bánh chưng is, although it's originated from the north of Vietnam, but it's very well popular throughout the country. As time go by, the central region and the southern region have created their own, with their own design, and they call it bánh tét. All the ingredients are the same in bánh chưng, but the way they wrap them is in a long and round shape. Again, they call it bánh tét. And from there on, every Lunar New Year, people throughout the country making both bánh chưng and bánh tét is a special dish for the new year. If you have watched the video, you probably noticed that I'm using zip tie or cable tie to tighten the wrapping of the banana leaf. The reason for this is because these ties are made solid and it makes it quick and secure the wrapping. So that way there's no leakage on the ingredients. You can also use nylon rope and handy twine. These are available from most of the Asian grocery store in town. We're also using the Instapot to cook bánh chưng because it will only take us an hour and a half or an hour and 45 minutes. Back then in Vietnam, there's no cookware like that. We have to cook them all in a really large stocking pot with an open fire pit using firewood. And during the time between 8 to 12 hours, there are multiple times that we have to top up the water and also use more firewood to make sure that the temperature on the stocking pot always high. That way the bánh chưng is well cooked.
Thank you everyone for watching. The full recipe of bánh chưng is available on my YouTube channel. There are more cultural food and full recipes that we share on our YouTube. All you need to do is type Lan Don and the food, the name of the food. That's all. So once again, thank you. Thank you everyone.